My friends, it's Coach Vigue. This is yoga for complete beginners. Low back stretches. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. Oh, sunglasses. Sorry about those. But no time like the present. Let's feel and look better right now. Modify as needed and always, always use control. Let's begin on our backs. Oh, as we breathe, breathe out. Breathe into your low back. Let's hug the knees in. You can always place a pillow underneath your head if you wish, and let's gently rock side to side. Definitely bringing release to your low back and, of course, every other part of your body. This is your flow. This is your time. Be present. Be here now. Okay, wiggle the fingers and the toes. As we rock side to side, for a little deeper stretch, you can bring your knees together. Can also be out like this. Always find your own level and work from there. 2 more breaths. I tell you, this stretch right here, we could just do for 10 minutes. So good. Nice massage, getting blood flow into the body, into the low back. All right, now, take the legs up a little higher. Grab the ankles. You can always stay with your knees into the chest, or ankles or feet, and sink the tops of your thighs down. This one is definitely a little more intense, so work into it with the breath. Exhale, sinking the knees down, sinking the thighs down. Let's do 5 breaths. If you can hold your balance, well, you can rock side to side, rocking and rolling. There goes the plane. Sink it down, creating space in your back. And of course, it's always about bringing blood flow and circulation to the low back, to the body. Want things to run at 100%. Okay, let's do a twist. We're going to cross the legs for this one. So take your right leg gently over the left, and then use the weight, use the gravity to bring it down slowly. This arm here, this right one, is going to go up and down. 5 breaths. Relax into it. You can bring these legs up a little closer up here. That makes it a little more intense. With every stretch, with every pose, you have the ability to turn up the intensity with just a little nuance. So you're never, ever stuck. You're always moving. Oh, get some of the black top on my hand so I can get it in my shower later and then wonder where that came from. My wife is always like, what is this? Oh, sorry, hon. I was rolling around the driveway again with my fitness friends. Okay, other side. Cross the left over the right. By the way, I got these pants for Christmas. You like? They're a little wild for me. I don't know. All right, remember, legs can come up or relax them down. This arm is going to lift with the inhale, and exhale, bring it down. Let your chest be nice and open. 3 more breaths. Whew. Good stuff. Relax, relax. That breath is so powerful. It's so nuanced and essential. Okay, once again, either knees into the chest or legs up and sink them down. 5 breaths. Return to whence you came and feel the difference right away. Feeling looser, feeling more ourselves. One more breath. Do it with me. In the nose, out the nose. Breathe into the ribs, into your sides. Oh, okay, release. And up we come. Oh, we were down there a while. A little modified side lunge. Bring this knee down. You can mirror me if you want. This leg goes out, hands down. Getting the adductor in here. Shoulders are back. Tight adductors, tight low back. Shoulders are back. This stretch right here. If you like, you can also walk the hands forward, hinging forward, lengthening the back. That's up to you. I probably just went off camera. How unprofessional. Good. Rock it a little up further if you like. As I always say, within these stretches, move a little bit. Feel it out. Your body, your natural intuition will tell you what you can do within the pose. If it's not telling you anything, just stay put. All right, switch sides, other knee down, across, and stretch. Again, you can walk out this way if you like to for an added stretch for the back. But since I put the word beginner in the title, I'm going to keep it up here. But you will find, oh, you'll find it. It's going to be so exciting that the more you practice, the more consistent you are with doing my routines, your body will get stronger and more flexible. So, I shouldn't say quickly, but it'll happen before you know it. Okay, now one of my favorite little exercises, stretches, the shakeout. Shake out the arms, shake out the legs. Keep it loose. All right, child's pose with the knees together. This really brings a blast, a bang to your back. Stretch it back right here. Knees as close together as you can comfortably get them, and let's rock it side to side. This is a spa for your low back. You're pampering it. Let's put some spa music on and a little waterfall in the background. 3 more breaths. Oh, that's lovely. All right, slowly coming up. You know, we're going to go right into it. A pigeon. Oh, one of my favorites. I'm sure it's one of your favorites. It will be. Bring your right knee forward, left leg back, hands down. Notice my leg right here. My knee to my foot is parallel with the mat. You can keep it there. And with a pigeon, you can walk this foot forward as well. So you're extending this leg back and you're opening the hip. You're sinking right down the center. And the hands are here to keep you buoyant. Buoyant. Those aren't, never mind. Rock side to side. I just had a Seinfeld reference go in my head. Those aren't matzo balls. Okay, side to side. As far as you want to go. Forearms can also come down. Take this back leg, walk it to your right a little bit. Get an extra stretch down your side. 3 more breaths. How's that pigeon feel? Let me know below. I'd love to hear from you. I especially like to talk pigeon. Getting all gooey in the low back. Let's switch sides. Take your time. Shake out the legs if you need to. And let's enjoy our second course of the pigeon right here. There we are. This leg, don't keep it dormant. It's actively going back. Cross it over a little bit if you wish. Enjoy the new Christmas pants. Boy, that's exciting. Okay, here we go. 5 breaths, my friends. In the nose, out the nose. Good. Always check your breathing, not just when you're exercising, but throughout your day. Keep tabs on it. Keep it full. Fill and empty the lungs. You have that beautiful gift of the breath. Don't squander it. Oh. Okay. Bring it down onto your stomachs. Little back bend here. You can have the forearms down for a baby cobra. Adorable. Or slide the hands around the shoulders, legs back. This is the cobra. Inhale, lift up. Open the chest. Each inhale, lift a little higher. Let your exhale stretch out the back. 3 more breaths. Now, some of these poses, they might come along and you think, oh, that's a beginner one, that's too gentle, but these are foundational stretches and poses. These are poses your body is designed to wallow in, to use to enhance. So always come to them with fresh attention, fresh eyes, and a lot of breath. Especially as the years tick by, these poses become a lifeline. They become so essential. One more time, knees together. Take it back. I want you to take your right hand forward, left forearm down. Let's stretch this side. Bring the forehead down to the mat if you can. 5 breaths. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. All right, let's slide the hands up. We'll seated position here. Before we go to the other side, shoulder rolls. I'm a big stickler that if we're hinging forward, we're also going to do back bends. We always got to counter with a back bend. Countering in progress. All right, other side. Left arm forward, right forearm down. Here we go. You can slide it forward and back if you want. Move it, move it. Add some beautiful dynamic movement, fluid movement to the exercise, to the pose. Remember, these are yours now. Anytime I put a video out, it is yours. It is like releasing a song. It's no longer mine. I'll do it with you. I love it, but it's yours. Use it, use it, use it. And of course, enjoy it. Oh, okay, my friends. Let's bring it up. Oh, a few shoulder rolls here. What's a few? Is that 3? Because I just passed it. Twisting. Keep it loose. All right, now the most important pose right here. Shake it out. That's a pose. Do, 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 do. And all right, my friends, it's Coach Vigue. Thanks so much for training with me. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and you got to check this out. I got something for you.
Come right up, check it out right here.
And to show my appreciation for your support, I want to give you a free 30-minute yoga video from my exclusive membership app. All you got to do is click the first link in the pinned comments below, and the video is all yours. I suggest doing that right now.